This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
Okay, can you please describe it more about the
Okay.
desktop application?
So once an API is consumed, I do the review, the code review, and once the code review pass, actually push the code to the GitHub. At the same time, the build the code. After they build the code, this is the internal application. We do them two ways. One is this application internally we use for a while, but when this desktop application goes to the Mac store, means for the Mac computer, it goes to the Windows store. I don't know what the Windows store name. So then we have an internal team. They actually they create the ID, and then the build file goes to the both store, and they verify it. The Mac actually they verify the QA team verify the entire process, and the Windows they actually verify the entire process. So the verification is whatever application is this, if the application followed the best standard, and if the application has all the required the functionality screenshot and all these things. Once they verify this, and they actually allow to this application go to the production. But they start with the test environment, then the staging environment. Once this is good, internally we actually test them out. We actually build it, and the build file we give to the internal team member or upload on the Google Drive, and anybody can download this, they can install it, and they can start the testing. But the final and the production version, it has to go to the Mac, for the Mac and for the Windows, and to follow their internal process to complete. Once they approve it, then this version release to their store. It is similar to the mobile application.